Okay, for the mouth, we'll need a black yarn. I'll start with first chain. First time anat muna. Yan. Then 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, for round 2, we'll do a increase for each stitch, starting 3rd stitch. Okay, 1, increase, same stitch, first increase. Okay, for the next chain, 2nd chain, we'll do another increase, 1, same stitch, 2. Okay, that's our 2nd increase. For the last chain, we'll do another increase, a total of 6 single crochet. After nun, make a chain, then turn your work. Then for round 3, I will make an increase on the last single crochet. 1, and same stitch, increase, 2, and 1 single crochet on the next stitch. Then repeat that 3 times. We'll have a total of 9 single crochet. So, sa last, lagi tayo mag-chain bago mag-turn. Turn natin yung work natin. Like this, okay. For the next round, round 4, we'll make a single crochet on the first chain, on the first stitch rather. Then make an increase on the next single crochet, 2, okay. Then next pattern, 2 single crochet on the next stitch. first stitch, second stitch. Okay, 1, 2. For the third stitch, make an increase. 1, same stitch, and make that 2 times. Then after that, for the last stitch, make a single crochet. A total of 12 single crochet for this round. And then of course after that, make a chain before you turn your work. 1, okay. Then turn again your work. Then for round 5, make 2 single crochet. 1, next stitch, 2, and for next stitch, make an increase. Okay, 1, and same stitch, 2. For the next stitch, make 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. For next stitch, make an increase. 1, same stitch, 2. Do that 2 times. Then after that, make a single crochet for the last stitch. And then make a chain. That's for last round. A total of 15 single crochet. So mag-leave lang ng mahabang yarn for later pag i-stitch na siya sa ating head part. Just make 2 pieces nito and then stitch natin together. Ito, ganito lang yung technique na ginagawa ko, parang yung normal stitch lang, yung same end ng bawat stitch. So yun, tahiin lang natin siya hanggang sa end. So ito na yung output nung tinahi natin. Diba? Okay na siya. So ganito na siya pag tinahi na sa head natin. Dapat ganun mag-itsura niya. Tayin lang natin siya dito sa mga gilid-gilid. Kuha lang tayo ng red yarn. Ito yung ipantatay natin sa black mouth natin, papunta dun sa head, sa gilid-gilid. So ito na yung output natin. diskarte nyo na lang kung paano nyo siya tie-in. Basta nasa loob lang dapat at hindi makita yung ano, sa labas yung tahi. Yan. So, until the next part 2 ng head natin. Yan, si Totoro. Kakagayit din natin yung tenga. Hello, Totoro. Thank you.